Welcome to day 4 of my 7-day declutter challenge. Today I am decluttering 2 bathrooms in our home, our master bathroom and our kids' bathroom. For this challenge, I've been giving myself 1 hour each day to declutter spaces in my home. By giving myself only 1 hour, I've noticed that I'm way more productive with the actual declutter, and I'm not getting distracted by organizing a space while I'm decluttering or trying to clean as I go. I'm literally just working my way around the room, cleaning out one drawer at a time. It's simple. Is it garbage? Is it a yes? Is it a no? In the bathroom, I feel like we all tend to accumulate a lot of products that we bought with good intentions of using or thought they would work for our hair or our skin, and then we just never use them. So they just sit there out of guilt because we spent money on them. But now is the time to part with those items. If they're not being used, why are we storing them in our homes? The most efficient way to declutter drawers I've found is to just assess the space from left to right. And the first time you're looking, you're just looking for garbage. Anything that is trash, get it out. The second time, you're gonna just kind of scan the drawer looking for things that don't belong there, that might have just been placed there out of convenience. Get those things out of there. And then the third time scanning the drawer, just get anything else that you don't like, don't use, don't need. While decluttering your bathroom, don't forget to look inside the shower and get rid of any products that are empty, expired, or that you don't use. This is everything that I was able to declutter from our master bathroom. I'm really happy with how much stuff I was able to let go of. My daughter had 3 hairbrushes that I know she doesn't use. She prefers her purple one, so I decided to declutter these other 2. When I went to declutter these drawers, it was really hard for me to not want to organize this space. Everything is just kind of thrown in here at this point. We did declutter and organize this, I think right after the new year, but you know, as things come into the house and my daughter puts things away, it just kind of gets thrown into this drawer. So we'll organize at a later date. But just a reminder, if you are working on spaces in your home, just truly focus on the declutter at this point. You can organize and clean later, but it's nice to get the things out of your home first and have almost like a clean slate to work with, rather than organizing things that you don't even use or like. Don't forget to declutter towels in your home as well. Prior to starting this declutter challenge, I had went through all the towels in our home and decluttered any ones that were fraying on the ends, that were stained, that we didn't use anymore, or that were just in poor condition. And we donated all those to our local animal shelter. They are always in need of things like that, so definitely don't forget to declutter any towels in your home. My kids don't even like or use mouthwash, so I am going to pour this into ours in our bathroom and then declutter this jar. And this is everything decluttered from our kids' bathroom, and a little reminder of everything leaving our master bathroom. Overall, a good declutter today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next challenge.